यो प्रश्न हेरौं के तिमीलाई थाहा छ? Do you know? Do you know? तर म तिमीलाई भन्दिन. Yes, but I won't tell you. Yes, but I won't tell you. Tell भन्नु. Yes, but I won't tell you. म तिमीलाई किन भन्नु? Why should I tell you? Why should I tell you? मेरो थाहा पाउने अधिकार छ. I have the right to know. I have the right to know. Right को यहाँ अर्थ अधिकार लागेको छ. Right को अरु पनि अर्थ हुन्छ जस्तै दाहिने र सही, तर यहाँ चाहिँ अधिकारको अर्थ लाग्यो. I have the right to know. तिमी अरु कसैलाई सोध्न सक्दैनौ? Can't you ask someone else? Can't you ask someone else? म उनलाई सोध्ने छु. I'll ask her. I'll ask her. के यो तिमी आफैले गरेको हो? Did you do it yourself? Did you do it yourself? उत्तरमा मेरा साथीहरूले मलाई सहयोग गरे. No, my friends helped me. No, my friends helped me. Help भनेको सहयोग अथवा मद्दत गर्नु. No, my friends helped me. तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल, तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. आजको भिडियोमा यसरी नै प्रश्न उत्तरको हामी अभ्यास गर्ने छौं. Are you ready? तयार हुनुहुन्छ त? तिमी अहिले कहाँ छौ? Where are you now? Where are you now? उत्तरमा म घरमा छु अथवा म घरमै छु. I am at home. I am at home. तिमी गत महिना कहाँ गयौ? Where did you go last month? Where did you go last month? म गत महिना मुस्ताङ गए. I went to Mustang last month. I went to Mustang last month. यो कसरी भयो? How did it happen? How did it happen? H-A-P-P-E-N. Happen. सँगसँगै pronounce गर्नुहोस् त. Happen. Happen. How did it happen? यसको उत्तरमा यो गल्तीले भयो. It happened by mistake. It happened by mistake. By mistake को अर्थ हुन्छ गल्तीले. It happened by mistake. तिमी किन गल्ती गरिरहन्छौ? Why do you keep making mistakes? Why do you keep making mistakes? मैले यो जानाजानी गरिरहेको होइन I am not doing it on purpose I am not doing it on purpose On purpose को अर्थ जानाजानी I am not doing it on purpose के यो सकियो अथवा के यो भयो Is it done? Is it done? यसलाई समय लाग्नेछ It will take time It will take time समय त लाग्छ कति समय लाग्छ भनेर सोध्न How long will it take कति समय लाग्छ How long will it take यसको उत्तरमा अब त्यति समय लाग्दैन It won't take too long now It won't take too long now के तिमी मसँग सहमत छौ Do you agree with me Do you agree with me A-G-R-E-E Agree Agree होइन Agree 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 Do you agree with me म तिमीसँग सहमत छु तर उनीहरू छैनन् I agree with you but they don't I agree with you but they don't Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru, if you haven't subscribed already. यो channel मात्र होइन, हाम्रो online class YouTube channel लाई पनि subscribe गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने अवश्यै subscribe गर्न नछुटाउनु होला र subscribe को छेउमा जुन घण्टी छ दुईटै channel को त्यो घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नु होला यस्तै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिले पनि नछुटाउनको लागि तिमीले यो कहाँ सिक्यौ Where did you learn this? Where did you learn this? मैले यो आफै सिकेँ भनेर उत्तर दिन I learned it by myself. I learned it by myself. Learn भनेको सिक्नु, learned भनेको सिकेको I learned it by myself. तिमीलाई अरु केही चाहिदैन र Don't you want anything else? Don't you want anything else? यसको उत्तरमा मसँग जे छ त्यसमै खुसी छु I am happy with what I have. I am happy with what I have. तिमी मलाई किन बेवास्ता गर्दैछौ? Why are you ignoring me? Why are you ignoring me? Ignore बेवास्ता गर्नु Why are you ignoring me? मलाई तिमी मन पर्दैन I don't like you. I don't like you. तिमी किन काँप्दै छौ? Why are you shivering? Why are you shivering? Shiver भनेको काम्नु Why are you shivering? म चिसोले कामिरहेको छु I am shivering with cold. I am shivering with cold. Be sure to like and share this video. यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य नछुटाउनुहोला. तिमी कहिले फर्कने छौ? When will you be back? When will you be back? म अर्को आइतबार फर्कने छु. I will be back next Sunday. I will be back next Sunday. Next Sunday भनेको अर्को आइतबार. I will be back next Sunday. के तिमीलाई अरु केही चाहिन्छ? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? मलाई अरु केही चाहिन्छ जस्तो लाग्दैन. I don't think I need anything else. I don't think I need anything else. खानाको स्वाद कस्तो छ? How does the food taste? How does the food taste? Taste भनेको स्वाद लिनु पनि हो, स्वाद मात्र पनि हो. यहाँ चाहिँ स्वादको अर्थ लाग्यो. How does the food taste? अब यसको उत्तर दिनलाई खाना स्वादिष्ट छ. The food is delicious. The food is delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Delicious. स्वादिष्ट अथवा अति नै मिठो. The food is delicious. तिम्रो जन्मदिन कहिले हो? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? यसको उत्तर मेरो जन्मदिन अर्को हप्ता हो. My birthday is next week. My birthday is next week. Next week भनेको अर्को हप्ता. My birthday is next week. र आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care. Have a great day.